This. And is this a trumeau?
Obviously that goes above the fireplace, and it's just absolutely stunning with all of the carved wood on it. The entrance hall for the suites, the 400.
It'd be nice. That would be lovely there actually.
Yeah.
When you come up the stairs, little
Yeah.
table underneath it.
Well, I've already got the table. So,
Okay.
yeah, so there's half of it done.
1m70.
Right, 2 seconds just once we go.
Top, gap seat top. Right. Let's get it in. Come out at the top a little bit. Get it over. You come my way.